Looking for a wire wheel for rust removal? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 10 wire wheel for rust removal available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect wire wheel for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the DeWalt Bench Grinder. The DeWalt 8-inch bench grinder is a great addition to any tool list. This bench grinder is surprisingly powerful and can be used for all your grinding needs at home or in a commercial shop. One of the things people like the most about this unit is that it runs on a super low RPM of only 3,600. And even with the low RPM output, there are no sacrifices to the consistency or quality of the bench grinder. Another thing that is great about the DeWalt is that it comes with overload protection, which will make your motor last much longer. You can also install guards quickly without using tools, adjusting them just with your hands. The bench grinder comes with one 36 grit wheel and one 60 grit wheel. This is one of the better bench grinders on the market today. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the WEN 4285 amp 8-inch variable speed bench grinder. When it comes to bench grinders, this 8-inch model from WEN is a great option for the price. It has a powerful 5-amp motor that allows you to set the speed anywhere between 2,000 and 3,400 RPM, making it ideal for a variety of tasks. Plus, the flexible work light means you can always see what you're doing. At only 41 pounds, it's also easy to mount to your workbench. At number 3 on our list, we have the Jet JB G8B 8-inch bench grinder. The Grizzly G0765 8-inch bench grinder is a great choice for those looking for an industrial-grade grinder. It comes with a 1-horsepower motor that produces 3,450 RPMs, making it powerful enough to grind a variety of heavy metals. It also features tough rubber feet that keep it in place while grinding and minimize vibration. Additionally, this grinder is very quiet, making it ideal for use in noise-sensitive areas. It weighs 58.5 pounds, making it a bit heavier than some other bench grinders, but this added weight ensures that it is a durable and long-lasting tool. At number 4 on our list, we have the Metabo 8 bench grinder. The Metabo 8-inch bench grinder is one of the most impressive pieces of machinery on the market today. This heavy-duty bench grinder can handle some of the toughest industrial applications, and it does so with almost no noise and very low vibrations. Plus, it features a number of safety features, including strong aluminum covers and durable on-off buttons. And perhaps best of all, it is incredibly affordable for the amount of features it offers. At number 5 on our list, we have the DeWalt bench grinder. Another quality machine from DeWalt, this is the best bench grinder you're going to get for the cost. In fact, this DeWalt is only a few dollars less than the WEN 8-inch bench grinder. For home applications, such as jobs and general renovations, you really don't need anything stronger than a 6-inch bench grinder to begin with, and this model brings loads of power. It only operates at 5/8 horsepower with 3,450 RPM, and yet it is perfect for sharpening blades, removing rust, and even smoothing wood. It's also lightweight, coming in at only 10.4 ounces. This is highly recommended for a home garage. At number 6 on our list, we have the Riken Professional Power Tools. The Riken 8-inch bench grinder is a great choice for anyone looking for a quality grinder that is designed specifically for sharpening. This unit comes with a 0.5 horsepower motor and produces 1,750 RPM, making it perfect for sharpening a variety of materials. The cast iron base and durable rubber feet help to reduce vibrations, while the 2 aluminum oxide wheels ensure a precise and consistent sharpening job. At number 7 on our list, we have the ATD Tools 10558 8 3/4 HP bench grinder. Bench grinders are a must-have for any home garage or workshop. They are versatile tools that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as sharpening drill bits, grinding metal, and buffing steel. ATD Tools presents a medium-grade bench grinder that is perfect for home use. It has a bright work light that is integrated into the unit, as well as high-quality magnifying eye shields. It is competitively priced, and it has a smaller 3/4 horsepower motor that is ideal for home use. At number 8 on our list, we have the Skil 3380 016-inch bench grinder. Skil makes quality products, there's no debating it. Not only do they make quality products, but they also make them at incredibly low prices. This particular 6-inch bench grinder is the most affordable on our list, half the price of the other 6-inch units. Still, that does not make it any less powerful. Because it is so lightweight, you can easily install the unit on your workbench at home. It even comes with an integrated LED light for maximum visibility. Since it only boasts a 2.1 amp motor, it is not ideal for grinding large amounts of thick steel. But it will definitely do the job for sharpening and grinding a large range of items involved in home renovations. You may even use this unit in a light-duty machine shop. At number 9 on our list, we have the Grizzly Industrial G97 17/6 bench grinder with a half arbor. If you're looking for a quality bench grinder that is compact and easy to use, the Grizzly 6-inch bench grinder is a great option. This grinder is perfect for sharpening tools, grinding light metals and steels, and removing dirt and grime from components. It is also a great value, as it comes with the Grizzly name attached to it. And finally, at number 10 on our list, we have the Craftsman 921154 6 Variable Speed Grinding Center. If you're looking for a top quality 6-inch bench grinder, the Grizzly G0690 is the perfect choice. It comes with a powerful variable speed motor, so you can adjust the speed between 2000 and 3400 RPM. The iron base is cast iron and extremely heavy, resulting in a very stable base. It also comes included with a water cooling tray, adjustable tool rests, eye shields that are oversized and built to withstand punishment, a super high quality work light to keep your station bright, and 2 ultra strong wheels, 1 wire wheel and 1 grinding wheel. This is by far the best 6-inch grinder on our list. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.